Imagine a giant swirling top spinning over the warm ocean. This is a typhoon, a powerful storm that can cause widespread destruction. It all starts with warm ocean water. This warm water is like a fuel for the storm. Warm, moist air rises high into the sky, cooling and forming clouds. As more and more air rises, it creates a low pressure area at the surface. What did you do to stay safe? These are the tips to do before, during, and after the storm. Before the storm, create an emergency kit. Assemble a kit containing essential supplies such as water, non-perishable food, a first aid kit, flashlights, batteries, and important documents. Secure your home, board up windows, trim trees, and bring in outdoor items to minimize the damage from strong winds and flying debris. Develop an evacuation plan. Identify evacuation routes and designate a meeting point, and practice your plan with your family members. During the storm, stay indoors. Avoid unnecessary travel and stay away from windows and doors. Unplug electrical appliances to prevent electrical shock. Stay informed. Monitor weather updates and follow official guidelines. Be prepared for potential power outages and communication disruptions. Practice safety measures. Avoid flooded areas, downed power lines, and other hazards.
Evacuate. If the storm gets stronger, go to the barangay evacuation area. Don't be stubborn and listen to the authorities.
After the storm, assess damage. Carefully inspect your home for structural damage, gas leaks, and electrical hazards. Clean up safely. Wear protective gear when cleaning up debris and dispose of waste properly. Be mindful of potential health risks. Seek assistance. Contact local authorities for help and support, especially if you need assistance with recovery efforts.